Good morning today, friends. It's good to see you and have you join us today. Let's begin with calendar. Can you remind us of our month? April. April. Yesterday was Wednesday. What day comes after Wednesday? Thursday. Let's find it. Thursday. And what sound do you hear at the beginning of Thursday? Thursday. Yesterday was the 22nd, or 22. What number comes after 22? 23. And what numbers make 23? 23. 2 and a 3. Let's make that. We have our 2, but we need our 3. 3. 2, 3 make 23. And for our date, we'll say the 23rd. Now, can you remind us of our year? 2020. Thank you, friends. All right, let's put that all together and say today's date. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. Thank you, friends, for your help with calendar. Now, let's go check our weather. All right, let's take this time to step outside or look out our window and check on our weather today. Is it sunny, cloudy, a little breezy? Maybe it's starting to get a little warmer, or it's cold? Let us know. Thank you, friends, for checking on the weather for us today. All right, we've done our calendar, we've checked our weather. Let's move on to our topic for today. Today, we're going to be talking about the country of New Zealand in Oceania. Let's take a look to see where New Zealand is on our globe. Right here. You'll notice New Zealand is made up of 2 main islands, but it also includes many other islands, many of them which were formed with volcanoes. And like Fiji, because New Zealand is made up of many islands surrounded by water, it too is an archipelago. Let's take a look at the flag for New Zealand. What colors did you see in New Zealand's flag? There's blue, red, and white. Can you think of any other countries whose flags have those same colors? One of them was also in the upper left-hand corner of the New Zealand flag, the United Kingdom. Yes, again, New Zealand was once a part of the British Empire, along with Fiji and Australia. Now, on the New Zealand flag, you'll also notice 4 stars. These 4 stars are for the constellation of the Southern Cross. In the southern hemisphere, which is this part of our Earth, the Southern Cross is a major constellation used for navigation, similar to Polaris or the North Star that we use in the Northern Hemisphere. The capital of New Zealand is Wellington, which is found on the North Island of New Zealand. New Zealand is made up of 2 main islands, which is the North Island, where Wellington is, and the South Island. The main languages spoken in New Zealand are Maori and English. The Maori are the native inhabitants of New Zealand. New Zealand also has some native animals you might find a little interesting. One of these group of animals is called the weta. The weta is a group of about 70 insects that are flightless crickets. And these animals are some of the heaviest insects in the world. One of the most iconic animals of New Zealand is the kiwi. The kiwi is a flightless bird about the same size as a chicken. It has short legs and hair-like feathers and is considered one of the national symbols of New Zealand. The kiwi is also related to the emu in Australia and ostriches. Another interesting fact about New Zealand is that there are more sheep than people in the country. This is because sheep farming is one of the largest agricultural industries for New Zealand, and much of the wool and meat are sent to other countries around the world. Those are just a few facts about the country of New Zealand and Oceania. I hope you had fun learning about New Zealand, and thank you for joining us today with calendar and checking our weather. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye, friends!